Hello everyone, today I am here to show you what is MeetEdgar and how to use it. MeetEdgar is a social media tool for scheduling social media posts. The main reason to use MeetEdgar is it saves us a lot of time. And MeetEdgar has calendar option and we can pick and choose when we want certain category to be shared. Let's see how it works. Here we have two plans, one is full Edgar and another one is Edgar Lite. The difference here, on full Edgar you get 25 social media accounts that you can use. On Edgar Lite you get 3. Here is very simple to add social media accounts. You just click on the rectangle over here on the left and fill your username and password for your accounts. Well-organized categories are a large part of your success with MeetEdgar. The $19 plan only offers 4 categories, meaning you will have limited control over the organization of content library. The $49 plan only offers unlimited categories. As I mentioned before, you can't add content to posting library if it is not added to a particular category. You can use categories for specific campaigns, types of content like video, blog posts, carousel, etc. Anything that will help you keep your content organized. When you add a new category, there is an option to add it to the random schedule time slot. You turn that off. The category is considered a holding category. All the content in this category will stay unshared until you either change the category for each piece of content. Adding content. The benefits of MeetEdgar library and recurring schedule. You will need to add penalty of content to the library first. There are 3 ways to add new content into your library. One is manually and second one is adding an RSS feed and last one is bulk importing with CSV spreadsheet. Save and schedule. Once your all content is ready, it's time to save or schedule it. The content editor gives you 3 options: save and leave pending, approve, send now and save, approve, schedule, send and save later. Every piece of content will be stored in your library either as pending or approved. The first choice is to simply save in your library to schedule later. The second option will be set the content 1 minute after clicking the button and then be added to recurring queue for its particular category and social media channel. By choosing the third option, you will able to schedule the post for a specific time. That time it will be added to your library and it will go again according to the category occurring schedule. Now we can see what is the benefits of MeetEdgar. MeetEdgar takes your social media stresses and turn it into social media success with features designed to remove the time intensive part of managing the content on all over your networks. I hope you find that useful and a little walkthrough of how to use MeetEdgar. If you have any questions about this, please drop down in comment section. Thank you.